I'm going to teach you guys about different links, okay? Different links for chains. First and foremost, you got to get your ingredients in order. All right, this is the most important ingredient. Kilogram of gold here, fine kilogram, and another one here. All right, that's 2 kilograms that could get you started for a lot of chains. 2 kilograms of pure will get you roughly 3.8 kilograms of 14K, okay, if you're mixing it up. I'm doing the math in my head, but it's roughly around there because it's 57% pure gold for 14K. All right, most of these chains are 14K. This is a solid rope chain. How do you make something like this? How does this get produced? It gets produced in Italy. I'm sure you've heard of Italian chains. In Italy, you pour the gold into a machine along with copper and zinc, and then it gets manufactured by that machine. It comes out kind of like Play-Doh. You put the raw materials in, press down, it comes out a chain, simply because the machine can do it way better than a human being, and it does it correctly in an endless stream. Cut it, and you get your chains. This is a solid one. All right, this is another solid one, and somewhere in here I have a hollow one. You can only hear it's hollow, and obviously the way it moves around, like this one dances a little bit more, but it's still gold. It's still worth per gram exactly the same as this one. All right, this one just has more grams. Just because it's hollow doesn't mean it's cheap or anything like that. It just means that it's less expensive because of its lower gold weight. One of the most popular chain links, Miami. All right, different Miamis are different manufactured in different ways. These are Miami Cubans. These Miami Cubans, you can see the different types of links. One is tighter, one is closer together. You would much rather prefer this one. This is manufactured by, there's a manufacturer that does this correctly, and there's ones that don't do it correctly. They are made by hand, so you want to order them from a reputable source that's going to do it correct. All right, that's pretty much us. We know how to manufacture Miami Cubans very well. We only get you the best stuff. We just got these in. These are hollow, 10 karat Miami Cubans, but they look very, very nice. They're a very good price. They're all Italian made. They're lightweight, so they're not that expensive. You get a big look, but that doesn't mean they're cheap. You still own your gold. If you're a conscious of your dollar value in your gold, and if you've been watching these videos, you'll know exactly what that means. You get to own your money when you spend it on it, all right? So when you're buying a product like this, you have your cash around your neck appreciating you over time. And I've done that many times for myself personally. For instance, I had this chain for a very long time. This chain cost me negative $300, all right? I bought it a long time ago when I was brand new in the jewelry business. And since then, it's worth far more than what I paid for it. And now I'm turning a profit on it. From here on out, it's only going to make me money. So that's why I pass this information on to the consumer. It's very important that you know that. So rope chains, okay, these are ropes, and they're a little bit messy, but you know, chains get tangled real easy. Franco, one of my favorite links, the one I'm wearing a solid Franco here. This is a hollow one. Still good. Still, you can own it. 14K hollow. Very, very nice piece. All right. Beautiful polish, beautiful finish on that. Just a lighter link. Hollow does not mean cheap. It just means lighter link. A couple of other links. We've got a foxtail. Another light link. It's kind of like a Franco. It's a foxtail. It kind of looks like the tail of a fox. It's like a modified Franco. An older link that, you know, used to be more popular. Now it's been replaced by tighter links. Is the curb link, they call it. Okay, it's a curb link. It comes like this, or you could have it with diamond cuts. All right, there's just a little rhodium on top. They give it a little bit more pop. I don't really like the diamond cuts. I don't think it's necessary, but some people like it. One of the first chains my mom bought me was a diamond cut Cuban like that. These are Francos, big, large Franco chains, but hollow. White gold, yellow gold, hollow. Huge chain only weighs 69 grams, where a solid one would be like 200, 300 grams. My favorite link, all right, before I get to my favorite link, I'm going to show you Tiger's Eye. Very nice. Still a nice link, Tiger's Eye. Nice to own, nice to collect different links. I do that all the time. I have a lot of different link chains to collect. Always worth it, always a great purchase. And my favorite one, the one that I'm wearing now on my Trax piece, is Moon Cut. It has a little luster to it, you know what I'm saying? It's a very nice chain to own. Highly recommend that one. but just got to be careful putting something heavy on it because it might pop. It's a weaker link. It's not going to be as strong as a Miami. Miami you could really use for almost industrial purposes, such a strong link. So highly recommended any gold chain to purchase over the course of a lifetime. Now you know some of the links and how they're manufactured. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow Traxnyc. We got you. And don't forget to visit Traxnyc.com for all your gold chain needs. We take it very seriously. We only want to make sure that we get to take care of the customer 100% of the time. And we have a whole dedicated staff to do that. And I stand behind every purchase personally. As you can see me, where I am and how I am. So shop with confidence and highly recommended. Throw a chain on layaway, pay for it little by little, get the chain you want, own it years later. You're going to turn a profit.